Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert or type the delta symbol on your WPS Office writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To insert the delta symbol on WPS Office writer, you just need to first just go to the insert option here, then click on the symbol. Then here you just need to change the subset. It's actually on a basic Latin. You just need to change it to the basic Greek. You can see here, and here you can see the delta option here. So there is a two type of delta, uppercase and lowercase. So this is the second type, and you can easily insert the symbol of delta in your WPS Office writer. The next was the keyboard shortcut. You just need to click on the Alt plus 2, which gives you this type of delta, and Alt plus 30, which gives you this type of delta. So I think you have a clear idea how to type or insert the delta on your WPS Office writer. If this video really helped you, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about WPS Office writer, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.